What if the most powerful graphics card on the market was not really made for gamers? NVIDIA's new RTX Pro Blackwell GPUs are built for something much bigger: artificial intelligence, filmmaking, engineering, scientific computing, and machines that operate in the real world. Wait, before we begin, we're excited to announce a gaming mouse giveaway. To enter, subscribe to our channel and comment Digi below. If this video reaches 200 comments, we'll select the winner and give away the gaming mouse. At the top of the lineup is the RTX Pro 6000's Blackwell. It comes with a massive 96GB of GDDR7 ECC memory that allows professionals to work with large AI models, detailed 3D environments, high-resolution video, and complex simulations directly on a workstation. For filmmakers, it can speed up editing and rendering. For engineers, it can handle larger design and simulations. For AI developers, it can run demanding models locally instead of depending entirely on cloud servers. But NVIDIA has created different versions for different types of work. The standard RTX Pro 6000 Workstation Edition focuses on maximum performance and can use up to 600 watts. The Server Edition is designed for rack-mounted systems inside data centers. Then there's the RTX Pro 6000 Max-Q. It keeps the same 96GB of memory but reduces power consumption to around 300 watts. Because it uses less power, manufacturers can place more GPUs inside one workstation. A compatible system can hold up to 4 RTX Pro 6000 Max-Q cards, giving it as much as 384GB of combined GPU memory. That turns a desktop workstation into a powerful local system for AI, rendering, data analysis, and scientific research. For professionals who do not need the flagship model, NVIDIA also offers the RTX Pro 5000's Blackwell. It's available with 48 or 72GB of GDDR7 ECC memory and uses up to 300 watts. It is designed for AI development, 3D design, engineering, visual effects, data science, and professional video production. For many studios and businesses, the RTX Pro 5000 may offer a better balance between performance, memory, and power consumption. But NVIDIA's biggest move goes beyond desktop computers. The company is also bringing Blackwell technology into embedded systems. RTX Pro embedded GPUs are designed for compact machines such as industrial robots, medical devices, smart cameras, factory equipment, and aerospace systems. These GPUs can process artificial intelligence directly inside the machine. That's important because a robot or medical device may need to make a decision immediately. Sending information to a distant cloud server can create delays. By processing data locally, machines can respond faster, transfer less information, and keep sensitive data on the device. When we look at the full lineup, NVIDIA's strategy becomes clear. The RTX Pro 6000 is built for maximum workstation performance. The Max-Q version focuses on lower power and multi-GPU systems. The RTX Pro 5000 offers a more balanced professional option, and RTX Pro Embedded brings the same technology into intelligent machines. These are not just graphics cards. They are part of NVIDIA's plan to build one AI computing platform for workstations, data centers, factories, hospitals, and autonomous systems. So, is the RTX Pro 6000 worth its extremely high price? For gaming, probably not. But for companies working with large AI models, complex visual effects, engineering simulations, or scientific data, the answer could be very different. The real story is not that NVIDIA has created another powerful GPU. The real story is that the GPU is becoming a complete AI computer, and NVIDIA wants to put that computer everywhere. This is DigiTechTube. Subscribe for more informative technology stories.